In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MetaTrader 5 web terminal. Let's start right from your browser so you don't need to install anything. Open your preferred browser and head over to Google. In the search box, type MetaTrader 5 and press enter. You're looking for the official result that says MetaTrader 5 trading platform for forex, stocks, futures. Click that result to go to the official site. As a quick tip, always check you're on the official website and that the connection is secure before entering any personal details. Once you're on the MetaTrader 5 page, look for the web terminal option. This is the browser-based version of MT5, so it's perfect for quick access on any device without downloads. Click Web Terminal and it will load the trading interface in a new tab. On the web terminal landing screen, you'll see an option to connect to an account. If you already have a trading account with a broker, you can log in here. Enter your login and your password in the respective fields, being mindful to keep your credentials private and secure, and then click Connect to Account. If you're new or just want to practice, we'll set up a demo first, which is the safest way to learn. For now, click Open Demo Account. You'll be asked for a few details, including your name, email, and mobile phone. Provide accurate information so the platform can set up the demo profile correctly. Keep your personal information safe and don't share it publicly. Next, choose your account type. This typically defines the server and trading conditions for your demo. Pick the option that matches what you plan to trade in the future so your practice environment feels realistic. You'll also select a deposit amount. This is virtual money for the demo environment, not real funds. Choose a balance that mirrors what you might realistically trade with, as it helps you practice position sizing and risk management more effectively. After that, confirm that you agree with the terms and the data protection policy by checking the box. When you're ready, click Open Demo Account. The platform will create your demo profile and then prompt you to get started with your account. Click that to enter the terminal. Once inside the web terminal, let's get oriented quickly. On the left side of the chart, you'll see drawing tools such as trend lines, horizontal lines, and text labels. These are great for marking support and resistance, annotating trade ideas, or highlighting events on the chart. Simply select a tool and click on the chart to place it. You can move or edit drawings anytime. At the top left, there's a three-line icon, often called the menu or hamburger button. Click that to open additional options. From here, you can jump into trading accounts to view or switch between accounts, including your demo and any live accounts you might add later. This is useful if you want to test strategies on demo while keeping an eye on another account. Next, open chart settings. Here, you can adjust how the chart looks and behaves. Choose between candlesticks, bars, or line charts, tweak colors for clarity, and display elements like the ask line or grid if you prefer. Making your chart readable is important, especially if you spend a lot of time analyzing price action. You can also select the timeline you want, which means switching timeframes. For quick overviews, choose something like M1 or M5. For bigger picture analysis, H1, H4, or D1 can help you see trends and key levels. Switching timeframes often gives you a more complete view of the market. When you're ready to practice a trade, click New Order. This opens the order ticket where you can select the symbol, set your volume, and choose whether to place a market order or set a pending order. You'll see fields for stop loss and take profit as well, which help manage risk and lock in potential targets. On a demo account, feel free to experiment so you understand how each field affects the trade before you ever consider going live. That's it. You're now comfortable getting into MetaTrader 5 web terminal, setting up a demo, customizing charts, and opening the order window to practice.